Hey guys, what's going on? It's Michael with Michael Stock Updates. Just jumping in here, Wednesday, December 29th. And let's say the market is definitely down today. DraftKings down to $26.74 as we speak. I think it found its floor today. You know, the 52-week low is $25.80. It dropped to $25.96 today, then had a decent bounce. And then it came up to, let's see, got as high as 27.23, which is pretty pathetic, but it did bounce up. I'm still holding on. I don't know if you guys caught an earlier video, but I bought 111 and a half shares at $30.09. We're gonna see where it ends up in March. Right now it's we're down. I bought at $30.09, so I'm losing $3 and something cents a stock, so I'm down, but I'm not worried about this, guys. It's definitely not fun days watching the stock go down, but if you held off, there's a really good entry spot, and we're going to see a turn in this right now. This is DraftKings stock. Is a great company. It's not going to stay this price forever. I think the bottom is going to be $25.80. I think we found support right around the $26 area. Last week it was headed back up, and I thought we was going to see possibly a little pullback up over the 30s, but it looks like it has done opposite. But Wednesdays, for the most part, a lot of markets down. GameStop's up 5%, AMC's up 1.5%, DraftKings down 2%, but it was down to almost 5% today, so it's had a nice rebound. But all I want to say is this: just don't panic. This is not a fun time in the market. I've said that before in my previous videos. But after Christmas gets over with and we get into January and the start of the new year, you're going to see some action in this stock. You're going to see it bounce. Right now it's going to be a tough time to hold this stock, but I feel here in a couple months you're going to be happy you did, especially if you got in this price at $26. Like I said, I got in a position at $30.09, was happy with that. So I think I'll still be happy with that. I would be averaging down right now, but I just want to see where those 111 and a half shares that we purchased ends up, where the price target ends up in March, just out of curiosity. So but as we speak right now, DraftKings $26.75. Don't panic. It's been a rough month, but this DraftKings stock has been dropping for 3 months. We got it's bound to turn, guys. It can what goes up, what goes down must come down. Also, what goes down, if it's a good company, which DraftKings is it's a big money making company. It's sponsored with the NBA and the NFL. And people gamble. I just think between right now the market's being bad, the economy the way it is, and people may not just be putting as much money out there as they normally do. Right now, people may be holding on to some money after the holidays and all that. But I believe, especially, the beginning of the year, people start filing their taxes, get their money back, and get Christmas over with. You're going to see this thing start going up in the right direction. DraftKings always falls a little bit during football season. Doesn't make any sense, but it does. You would think it would be one of the prime times for DraftKings, but they don't make as much money off NFL as they do in NBA and MLB. So that's the reason we're sitting here. Just don't have a lot of momentum. The volume's, pretty low, 11, almost 12 million. Just keep your patience, guys. Don't sell. Don't lose money on this deal, because, if it was a position and you didn't know if the company was, going to make up, you might sell half and try to, but I just feel so comfortable with this company that I feel if you sell at $26.77, if you sell anything under, I think, $35, I just think you're going to regret it. No financial advice. Like I say, it's your money. You ultimately do with your money. Like I said, don't do what I do, because I spent $30.09 on 111 and a half shares, and now it's sitting at $26.80. But I will be happy. Just a regular dude messing with this market, just like a lot of you guys are. There's a lot out there that's a lot smarter than I, a lot more money, or a lot smarter and a lot less money, one of the two. But, I just like putting it on here and just seeing, if somebody's afraid to take the ride, you can take the ride with me and see how it works itself out. But just just keep the faith, keep your patience, and, December will be over with before long. Let's get on to 2022 and start making this money. If you have any other questions, just leave them down below, questions, comments, and if you like and subscribe, it definitely helps the channel. If not, I just appreciate the support. Take care, guys. That's all I got.